Good morning, children. Do you remember what I am going to teach you? Yes, I am going to teach you mathematics, which we say in shortly maths. Okay, this is my second class. And in the first class, as you know, and I hope you remember that what I had taught you in the first class. What did I teach you? Shapes, right? Okay, let's quickly revise all the shapes. Okay, 2D shapes. First, let's revise 2D shapes. The first one is square. What is the first one? Square. How many sides? Equal sides it has? 4 equal sides. And how many corners it has? A square? Okay, a square has 4 corners. So, you know what is a square. What is the spelling of a square? Okay, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Let's repeat. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. What is the second 2D figure? Rectangle. You are right. A rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Say it again. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. How many sides it has? Of course, it has also 4 sides and 4 corners. But the opposite sides are equal in length. Okay? The opposite sides in a rectangle are equal. What is the next shape that we learn? Quickly tell me. Okay, yes, a circle. Circle, and it is also a plain 2D figure. So, we learnt square, rectangle, circle. Next, what is next? Semicircle. Okay, semi means what? Last time I told you. Semi means half. Okay, what does semi means? Semi means half. Half circle is called as a semicircle. Okay, one more 2D figure we learnt. 2D shape. What is that? Yes, a triangle. Okay, a triangle like this. Okay, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Let's spell together again. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Let's spell circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Spell again. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay, now next. We also learned about 3D figures, okay, or 3D shapes. 3D shapes. What are the 3D shapes? Quickly tell me. Okay. C-U-B-E, cube. Cube. Okay. An exact perfect square box is called a cube. So, it is C-U-B-E, cube. Next. What is the next one? The second one is, the second 3D shape is cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Say it again. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Okay, next one is cone. C-O-N-E, cone. What is the next one? C-O-N-E, cone. Next, cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Say it again. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Okay, these are the 2D and 3D shapes that we learned in class 1. There are a lot of activities in your textbook. If you have a textbook, you check it. If not, I am going to send you on the WhatsApp. You check the WhatsApp, and then I will send you all the activities that are to be done. And especially the activity that is on page number 8. Okay? Page number 8. It is only activity. You don't need to do any homework. Just you learn the spellings of all the shapes, know their sides and corners, know what you should do with, if at all we give you some activity. And here is first activity that is on page 8. And how does it look? See here. The first one is triangle. The second one is square. And the third one is circle. Yes. And what is done on this is we take a stick the shapes on that. They are actually what shapes they are? They are, tell me what shapes are they? They are 2D shapes. Okay, this activity is on page number 8. They are 2D shapes, and when you stick them like this on a stick and then rotate them like this, if you rotate them, you will find and you will notice that it gives a circular shape, and this one looks like a sphere, which is the 3D shape. This one looks like a cube, and this one looks like a cone. Okay, although this is a triangle, when you do like this, it looks like a cone. This one is a square, 2D figure or 2D shape, and then we do like this, it looks like a cylinder, or it looks like a cube. And this one is circle, is a plain 2D shape. But when you do it like this, it looks like a sphere, looks like a ball, okay, round like a ball. So try, take this and try, and then spell it. Okay, that's a wonderful activity. I'm sure you will like to do it. Okay, the next one is also, I want you to practice these shapes. Take all the 3D shapes. Now listen carefully. Take all the 3D shapes. Okay, any object with 3D shape, just like a cube or a cuboid, a box of cube or a box in the shape of a cuboid, and trace it on the paper. Okay, and trace it. Tracing means just holding it, okay, on a paper, holding the object on the paper and tracing its sides. After you take the object, the shape that you get, it will be 2D shape. For example, you take a cube and trace it on a plain paper, you will get a square. 3D shapes, if you trace, you get 2D shapes. And that activity is on page 8. Also on the same page 8, okay? Take the shapes of 3D and also draw or trace it on a plain paper, and you will get 2D shapes. Okay, and now here there is also on page number 9 clay. Okay, clay. I don't have a clay here. Next time definitely I will buy a clay and show you. Okay, you take the clay. This also is an activity for you to do and for you to learn. Take the clay, make a ball. Okay, make a ball, and that becomes as a ball, and you will see that it is a 3D shape. Take that ball and nicely flatten it. Okay, it becomes round circle. Okay, likewise you can do that activity. You check on page number 9. Definitely I'll show you next time in the book. Okay, how the 2D shapes or 3D shapes that are formed by using clay, and then when you flatten them, they become 2D shapes. Now this, if at all in the exam they give you like missing letters, okay, watch carefully. Missing letters, what are missing letters? Okay, so in the exam or in a test, if missing letters are given, here the pictures or a drawing of any shape. It may be 2D shape or it may be 3D shape. They'll give you the shapes here, and they'll give you the spelling, but only half of the spelling will be there. 1 or 2 letters will not be there at all. So if you learn the spellings properly of 2D shapes and 3D shapes, immediately by looking at these shapes, you will know what is the spelling. Okay, so what is the first one? First one is C dash B dash. So what is it? C-U-B-E, cube. So you have to fill in U and you have to fill in E. If you know the spelling of cube, immediately you will write C-U-B-E, cube. Next one, cuboid, C-U. In this fill-ups, you have to write your spelling, okay? C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Next, C-O-N-E, cone. So you have to fill up, okay? Missing letter. These are called as missing letters. Spelling will be there, but only half of the spelling will be there, and the rest letters you have to fill up. If you know the spelling properly, if you have learned the spelling, definitely you will fill up all this properly and you will get good marks in the exam. Okay? C-O-N-E, cone. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. So in the exam, first of all, let me tell you children, if you know the spelling, no matter what kind of question is asked in the exam or in the test, you will be able to fill in this missing letters and you will get full marks. These shapes can be 2D shapes also and 3D shapes also, and you will be able to fill in the blanks. Next, one small activity, another activity which is also on page number 9. Okay, here you can take a paper. Okay, you can take a plain paper. See, like this plain paper you take, and then you draw some lines. Okay, vertical and horizontal lines you draw like this squares. And okay, after that, after drawing the lines, you can trace some figures on this using those blocks, okay, using those squares. This is an activity on page number 9, and here you can draw a cylinder, a small cylinder and a big cylinder. You can draw a cube, you can draw a cone, you can draw what is this? Yes, cube, small cube and big cube, a cone, big cone, small cone, all types of shapes you can draw on that. This is also one activity on page number 9, and that is going to really help you. You should know how to draw. You should know how to identify. You should know how to spell all the 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Here is another small activity that I have done for you. Okay, I have a small activity that is done for you. This is called coin words. Coin words means, okay, coin words. This is a game, you know, and in this coin words, you will be given a big spelling, okay, spelling of anything, whatever you have learned, or maybe some spellings that it is not in your book also. You can take one spelling, and here I have given you a spelling of a triangle. See here, Triangle, triangle. In this spelling triangle, I have formed 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words and 5-letter words. For example, see, in a triangle there is, see, 2-letter word, I is there and N is there. So I-N, in. This is a 2-letter word. Okay. Next, A is there, An is there. A-N, an. Next, I is there and T is there. I-T, it. Next, A-T, at. So all these are the 4 letters that I have made. Next 3-letter words is here. T-E-N. 10 is there, so I wrote 10. Okay, that is a 3-letter word. 3-letter word, T-E-N. Next, N-E-T, net. Net is the 3-letter word. Next, E-A-T, eat. Eat is also 3-letter word. Like that I have done so many. I tell you children, these are the 4-letter words. L-A-T-E, late. See here. L-A-T-E, late. G-A-T-E, gate. Line. L-I-N-E, line. Like that I have done so many. I'll tell you friends, the letters that I have made, 2-letter words, 3-letter words I have made 16, 17, 18, 18 words I have made. And in 4-letter word, in the triangle, I have made that also I have made 18. So 18 I have made. And 5-letter word I have made, see here it is train, T-R-A-I-N. T-R-A-I-N, train. T-R-A-I-N, train. 5-letter word. Next, grain, G-R-A-I-N, grain. See, great. G-R-E-A-T, great. So like that. But I'll tell you something. You can find, I have in 5-letter word I have made only 3. The next 3 you make. Let me see who will make. Okay. And in 4-letter word I have made 18. Let's see how many. You can make even more. So like that, this is one beautiful game, and you can do it with other words like rectangle and all other things. Okay. So let me wind up by telling you that shapes, names of shapes is a must, and this is our second class for the same lesson. So I have revised and told you what can be done. The last thing that I can tell you is, if you are asked any questions like fill-ups, for example, a square has dash sides. So what you'll write? 4 sides. Next, if I tell you in a triangle, okay, there are dash corners. So what you'll write? 3 corners. Like that. In a rectangle, the dash sides are equal. So you have to write opposite. The opposite sides are equal. A square has, a square is a dash dimensional shape. 2-dimensional shape. A circle is a dash dimensional shape. 2-dimensional shape. Okay. A circle has dash corners. Yes, a circle has no corners. For that is for fill up. And for choose the right answer. A cuboid is a dash D shape. 3D shape. A circle has dash corners. What? No corners. Okay. Or if I give you 3, 2 and no, you have to write no. Like that, children, you must know how to identify. Even if I give you some, take some paper, draw some 3D shapes, draw some 2D shapes, name them, match them, okay, match them and choose one word answer. Definitely, if you know the shapes, you will know how to answer every question, and that's how you are going to be very familiar with the 2D shapes and 3D shapes. I hope you will remember all this, and I hope next time definitely I'll get you a nice board, and then we are going to learn it on the board so that I can show you, and I will show you some spellings, and definitely you quickly write down the spellings that I am going to tell you. These are the spellings you should learn. C-O-N-E, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Rectangle, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. So these are the spellings you must know and you must learn in this lesson number 1. Okay, so that's how we come to the end of this lesson, and next class we are going to have lesson number 2. Thank you, children, for listening. Bye bye. Take care.